Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Genevieve Castañeda Asio, 26 years old, single, living at San Manuel, Isabela, and I have 2 brothers, 3 sisters. I am the 6th child in the family. I am graduated in senior high school and also graduated in vocational course in caregiving.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have worked in Kawayan City, Isabela, and I have experience in elderly, adult, and my main duty in elderly is monitoring capillary blood glucose, inject the insulin of my patient, monitoring medication on time, and monitoring oxygen, and also I have experience in NGT feeding, suctioning, and taking a good care of tracheostomy care. And also I have experience in dental assistant as a dental clinic for almost 5 years. My main duty in dental clinic is maintaining the patient records, organize files, and also cashiering.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer is, if you are hiring me, I can be more productive and hardworking woman. Thank you.